Hello and welcome to this online time entry video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily enter your time online in the new Salesforce system. In scenario number one, I'm going to show you how to submit a weekly timesheet. Here you can see on the screen a flow diagram of the different steps that we're going to take. So we're going to be first logging in to log in at salesforce.com, accessing the Timecard module, selecting the week I want to enter time for. I'm going to be entering my time. I'm going to be saving the time card, and then I'm going to be submitting for approval. So let's go into test environment so I can show you how to do these steps. So this is once I've logged on to the Salesforce system. I'm going to be landing on this page, the home page, and as you can see here, the Enter Time Card tab is the one that you're going to want to click to view your time card. So let's take a minute to explain the different columns on this time card. So the first column here is the date column, and you can see it shows the days from Sunday to Saturday every single day of the week. Then you have the assignment column, which is basically all the schools that I'm allowed to enter time for. So in this case I can enter time for school 1 and school 2 on every single day, so that's why we see the days are duplicated. Next we can see the ins and out columns. In this case they're not, I can't enter anything for this because the school doesn't require me to enter any time in and time out information, so we don't have to bother about this. And then the break columns is the same. If the school would require me to enter information about the break, I would see boxes here where I can enter time, but in this case we don't need to. The total hours again will be used to sum up the in and out columns, so we don't have to look at this. And the mileage unit would be available if in my contract I'm allowed to claim mileage. But in this case, for school 1 and school 2, my assignments are of a unit assignment. School 1, you can see here I can enter units and the type is hours. So in this case I'm entering hours for school 1. So I could say that on Sunday I worked 7.25 hours. And then on Monday I can keep entering my hours as we go. If we look at school 2 here, the type of unit is different. The unit type is units, so I'm really entering a unit, a number of units that I completed during that day. So for example, if on Monday here I completed 4 units, I would just enter 4. This would not be hours, this would be units. And in most cases 4 units equal 1 hour of work. I could also use the comment box here to enter any comment I might have that's relevant for my approver to see. So for example, here I can say worked from home if you did work from home. Okay, in this case, next step is to click on the save button up here to save my time card. And when you hit the save button, you're going to see that the status here changed to save. And now I can actually attach files. So the attach a file button here, if you click on it, allows you to attach any type of documentation that you want on the given day for the given school. And if I attach a file, for example, for Tuesday, you can see that the file is going to be attached here in the files column. You can also remove a file by using the X link here. The final step that we need to do once we make sure that our time card is completed is to click on the None Selected button up here and then select the assignment for which you want to submit your timesheet. So I'm going to select School 1 and I'm going to hit the Submit button to the right of this drop down. Once I click the Submit button and it finished processing, the status is going to be changed to Submitted, and that would mean that I have successfully submitted my time card for approval. So as you can see, the status changed to submitted, and now it's grayed out, and it means I have successfully submitted it for approval. And this is what concludes our scenario number 1.